Greetings, this is Edward Ojambo. In this tutorial, JavaScript will be used to create the bitwise left shift operator. This is brought to you from the jamboshop.com Learning JavaScript course. So basically, JavaScript makes it easy to use the bitwise left shift assignment operator. The left shift assignment operator performs left shift on two operands and assign the result to the left operand by multiplying the number by any power of 2. So what that means is that an example here is if you do 2 shift 1, basically assigning or doing a left shift. In last two we'll do the right shift. So this is a left shift. So what will happen is they shift the bits of 2 to the left by 1. So that will then become 0, 0, 1. Basically what that means is that the 2 becomes a binary 0, 1, 0, 0 or decimal 4. So as I said before, it multiplies by number by any power of 2. So in this case, because we have the number 1, it's simply going to be 2 to the power of 2. So everything else is similar to the right shift. The only difference is in the truth table here, you said 0, 0 will be 0, 0, 1 will be 0, 1, 0 will be 1, 1, 1 will be 2. So then we go to, as you can down here, if you want to see the code snippet, you can expand it, or if you want to look at it as a screenshot, here it is again, and the output in the jamboshop.com Learning JavaScript Course Web IDE, which will also be used for this tutorial because it also inspired this tutorial. This is the video you're watching right now. So JavaScript is open source. It runs in a web browser, but there are some server-side embedded platforms to allow JavaScript application to run outside a web browser. So I've done tutorials on this using Node.js and Tori to create JavaScript applications which don't need a web browser. It's also open source. It runs under the MScript standard, W3C software license, which allows commercial use, modification, distribution, and allows making derivatives proprietary. So let's get started with the tutorial today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same variables as the previous tutorials. So I would create num1, make it equal to 5. The binary version is 101. Make another variable num2, make it equal to 3. The binary version of that one is 11. The binary is basically, although this is 32-bit, I'm not going to put a whole bunch of zeros before it. It's just the ending part. I clip off the end. And this is a big int. When you have a very large number, the end there will change the type from a simple number to a big int. And the binary version, as you can see, it's very, very big. It actually goes right off the page right here. And you can also make a smallish number with a big int type, or just put an end there. Okay, so num1 left shift num2, then num2 left shift num1, three num1, 5 num2. And the big int num3, num4. You notice here I'm not gonna do a num4 left shift num3 because the number is too big to do that type of shift. So just do 5n, 3n. Then we'll do the bitwise left shift assignment. So say let num5, the binary is 10, and the binary for that will be 1010. Then if I say num5, 6, the binary is 1010000000. Okay, so num5, compile this. I made a mistake, let's fix that. Okay, this is the place I made the mistake. So you can see this becomes 640, this becomes 40, and the big number will become this number. This is 40 and 96, 96 and 40. I've explained that it basically multiplies the number by the power the power of 2. That's the left shift. So if you want to learn JavaScript, you can go to jumboshop.com. All you need is a web browser. You don't need to have it comes with web IDE, it comes with JavaScript already installed. All you need is a web browser. I'm also offering you 20% off until the end of 2024 using the promo code SCHOOL. If you want to learn by just the ebook version, the ebook version is available on Amazon. Just search for Editor Jumbo. It doesn't come with JavaScript or text editor or IDE. However, also on Amazon coming very soon, there will be paperback versions. So if you want the physical version instead of an ebook, that's coming pretty soon. I'll let you know when that's available. And also the links are also in the description. So Learning JavaScript Course on jumboshop.com. The links are also here under this references for this article, jumbo.com/javascript-left-shift-assignment-operators. The Learning JavaScript ebook is also available on Amazon. Here's the link under references. And if you want custom one-on-one tutorials, or maybe you need help with applications for the web, mobile, desktop, or maybe it's a website, you need to migrate it, and maybe it's a DNS thing, or you need maybe some email, you need web forms, you need payment processes, chat, logistics, can help you with that. It can be custom, or if you want, if there's already an SDK, I can help you navigate that as well. That's at jumboservices.com. The links are also in the description. Thank you.